Understanding the phrase, send packing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, send packing. It's a colorful expression with a clear image, and understanding it can really add flair to your English conversations. Let's unpack its meaning and use. The phrase, send packing, is an idiom that means to dismiss someone abruptly or to send someone away definitively. It's often used when someone has overstayed their welcome or is no longer needed. Imagine someone packing their bags quickly and being sent off. That's the literal image this phrase evokes. This expression dates back to Shakespeare's time, appearing in the play Henry IV. It was used literally back then, referring to someone being sent away with their possessions packed. Over time, it gained a figurative meaning, becoming part of everyday language to indicate dismissal or rejection. Let's see how send packing is used. In a job setting, after the serious mistake, the manager had no choice but to send the employee packing. In personal relationships, when she found out he lied, she sent him packing without a second thought. You can use this phrase to add some dramatic flair to your language. For example, if he continues to slack off, we'll have to send him packing. They were causing trouble at the party, so I sent them packing. Remember, it's a strong expression, so use it judiciously to avoid offending anyone unintentionally. And that's a wrap on send packing. We hope this explanation helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to send any confusion packing with more learning. Goodbye for now, and happy speaking!